Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about disadvantages of extended family. Okay, in these disadvantages we are discussed what are the disadvantages is there. In previous video we are discussed advantages of blended family. Okay, in this video disadvantages. Okay, in that disadvantage first one is the child develops the bad habits. Okay, the child will be adopts the bad habits. Why? Because in previous or in the day during life, the lifestyle of the parents they are observed. Okay, in that parents what they are doing means they are changing their wives or their husbands. Means the child will feel some type of qualities or the qualifications what means the mother will be changing their husbands in their daily during life. Okay, the child will be observed. Okay, again and again I am having new fathers or two or more fathers I am having. Okay, this type of habits observed by the children. Okay, the child will develops the negative behavior on the life. Okay, this is the one type of disadvantage regarding blended family. Okay, next in these the child will be improves the bad habits or the negative behavior by observing the younger child. Okay, who is there in the elders in the family. Sometimes the child having the negative behavior. Okay, in that the child will also develops automatically bad behavior. Okay, in that elder children or the elder parents or the child who is there in the family members, the persons are having the some type of habit like smoking or the alcoholism is there. Okay, this habit should be followed by the children. Okay, this is also one disadvantage regarding blended family. Okay, next one is in these the children or the family members who are there, they are develops the jealousy feeling. Okay, in that they are improves the feeling and they are suffering with the financial problem. Why? Because all members are working together. Okay, but the mother will feel he is my child or he is my first child or she is the stepchild or she is the stepmother or he is the stepfather. Okay, in that relationship there improves the jealousy feeling or some struggles in between the for sharing that economic or the financial or money. Okay, the money will be sharing struggles is there. Why? Because he is only my son or he is only my mother or she is only my daughter. Okay, like that is some jealousy feeling is there. Okay, due to that improper relationship in between the family members. Okay, the burden or the effects on the economic status. Okay, these are the disadvantages regarding blended families. Okay, next one is the solving blended family problems. How we are solve these blended family problems. Okay, what is the way for problem solving? Means in this only first thing that is the improves the lot of love and affection. Okay, in between the family members. Okay, who are their stepfather or stepmother or stepchild. Okay, in between these members they improves their more and more love and affection to the each and other. Okay, due to that the problem will be easily solved. Once the love and affection is there in between the family members, automatically the problems will be solved. Why? Because they are avoiding jealousy feeling in between family members. Okay, once the jealousy feeling will be disappears, okay, the love and affection should be improves. Due to that, the problem also solve. Okay, this is the main thing regarding problem solving. Again, another one is the in between step parents or the stepmother or stepfather. Okay, they improves the lot of patience. Okay, some problems is there. Okay, we are adjust that problem. Okay, what is that for reducing the problem, what is our role? Okay, we are improves our patience for solving the problem. Sometimes we are facing the problem with the more of patience. Okay, by improving patience in between the these type of relationship members, okay, the problem will be easily solved. Okay, next one is they are maintaining good communication in between these members. Once the communication will be improved, okay, the ideas or the feeling should be shared to the each and others. The persons will be solve their problems. Okay, I am suffering with this problem, like that the person will be open in front of the another person. The another person will be listening this problem. The person will give some type of suggestions or advices or some problem solving technique. Okay, by the way the persons will be control their problem or solving their problems. Okay, this is the problem solving technique regarding blended family. Next we are going to discuss about extended family. Okay, what is mean by extended family? In this, what happens means the extended family having some type of structure. Okay, in this structure like 2 or more adults. Okay, in that family structure 2 or more adults is there. Okay, in that adults coming from the different types of generations. Okay, they are coming from the different types of generations, but same family. Okay, they are living in a one household or single roof household, but they are having the different types of means 2 or more generations is there. Okay, they are having the some type of nuclear families, means one father, one mother, 2 or 3 childs is there. Okay, this is a one nuclear family. Another one mother, one father, 2 girl child. Okay, this type of nuclear families living together in a single roof or single house, but they are having the 2 or more generations. Okay, these type of families we are called as the extended family. Okay, in this extended family they are having this type of what happens means in these 3 or more generation but same family. Okay, 3 or more generations is there, 2 or more nuclear families is there, but these members are living together. Okay, for example one person is there. Okay, that person is the one type of Mr. Dama Anjaya. Okay, he is a one person in the family. Okay, these are having one marriage relationship between the Dama Punnamma. Okay, these are the first generation people in the family. Okay, next their sons means second generation, that is the Dama Naresh or Dama Suresh. Okay, these 2 sons is there for the second generation of Mr. Anjaya. Okay, first generation Mr. Anjaya, second generation Mr. Suresh. Okay, after that there is the third generation, that is the Mr. Dama Durga Pradyumna. Okay, these type of generations is there. These 3 generation people living together like a joint family or the complex family or the multi-generational family. Okay, this is the or a group of nuclear families living together. The type of family we are called as the extended family. Okay, this is regarding extended family, means two or more generation of people living together. Okay, first generation people, second generation people, third generation people, this type of nuclear families living together. Okay, many relationship is there, means grandmother, grandfather, or son or mother, daughter, or father, or babai, pinny, or auntie, uncle, or some type of relationship like great grandparents or great grandmother, great grandfather, or some type of great uncle, great auntie, okay, great father. Okay, this type of relationship they are maintaining in between the family. Okay, this is the structure of extended family. Okay, in that extended family, what are the structure is there? Means multi-generation. Okay, multi-generation people living together, they are maintaining some relationship in between the family members, that is the living relationship, living together. Okay, this is regarding extended family. Next, in this they are having the positive family experience. Okay, in this positive family experience, what happens means these three or more generation of people, okay, balancing their resources, means first generation of people they are earning more properties. Okay, some second generation of people they are earning some type of properties. Okay, third generation of people again they are having some properties. Okay, these group of generation of people, group of resources, they are sharing equal. Okay, they are sharing, balancing. Why? Because they are living together. Okay, this type of extended family they are feel wonderful experience. Why? Because different type of relationship together. Okay, in that one family, many relationship, means one auntie, one uncle, one father, one mother, one grandfather, grandmother, grandson, granddaughter. Okay, this type of many different types of relationship is there in between the family. Okay, this is the one type of wonderful experience by the extended family. Okay, next in this they are feel one type of experience and they are having the loving family. Okay, in between family members they are having the good love and affection. Okay, he is my father. Okay, he is my grandfather, or she is my grandmother. Okay, she is my granddaughter. Okay, like that in between family members they are improves their good love and affection. Okay, next they are maintaining different types of relationship between the different types of generation. Okay, different types of generation, different types of relation, but single family. Okay, single family, that is the Damas family. Okay, like that only one family is there. In that family different types of generations is there. Okay, this is regarding extended family.